to lay down for me. Okay, we are going to pretend like we did before. So now I will be taking my scout images. Okay, Miss Utz, I need to check these first couple of images. Will you be all right? Tubes out of the way. Okay, I'm back. All right, had the doctor check those. He said we could go ahead and start your IV. Okay. Do you have one arm that's better than the other for that?
I think all right.
Okay, let's take a look here. All right, we're going to go ahead and start that IV. All right, you feeling okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm going to lead that needle in, so I'm just going to let you lay here for just a few minutes while we take these first couple pictures.
Okay.
Oh, well, I'll take it out sooner than I did last time, too. How about that? Okay, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and do the coned down over the kidneys. So we'll do our kidney shot. I'm going to use the 14 by 17 crosswise. It's technically, you could do it lengthwise, couldn't you? But we can do it crosswise. And then we're going to collimate, though, to 11 by 14 crosswise. I'm going to place my right marker in. If you come up about a hand and in about 4, place your right marker. Still doing okay? All right. Now for this cone down over the kidneys, we want to center mid-sagittal plane, halfway between xiphoid and umbilicus. Okay. Okay. You do want to make sure that your patient is straight, hips and shoulders in alignment, so that they're not cattywampus or anything. And we're going to shoot all of these on expiration. So I'm going to have her taking a breath, blow it out, hold it out. Don't breathe. Okay, everybody good with that?
No, I don't think
For this one, there would be a series of KUBs, but right or wrong, we're going to assume y'all know how to shoot KUB, because we've seen you position it a couple times now. So we're going to go ahead and do the obliques though. I'm going to go 14 by 17 lengthwise. Put my right marker down at the bottom. And we're going to start with the RPO. So I'm going to have my patient roll up towards me a little bit. Okay. We're only going to do about 30 degrees though. Okay. I'm going to center to the crest. Okay, and where you center is going to be very similar to your L spine. You're going to be about halfway between the lateral border and the mid-sagittal plane. Just check your light field and make sure you have full coverage and not excessive light on the table. Make sure she's rolled only about 30. Yeah. So I want about 30 degrees. That's going to get the right ureter off the spine and show me the left kidney. Okay, right ureter off the spine and left kidney. And again, we shoot this on expiration. I'm going to do the other one too so you can see the roll.
Okay.
Because you will do both the obliques. Okay. All right, I'm going to let her relax. Okay. Let her roll away from me. Back down just a hair. Okay. Again, I'm centered at the crest. Okay, and she takes in a breath, close it out, holds it out. I'm going to leave my cassette the same, still right marker. This is still her right side, so that's totally appropriate. And now we're going to see the left ureter off the spine and the right kidney.
And did you say you collimated down for these?
No, these are full 14 by 17. Full 14 by 70, because you want to see everything from the kidney to the bladder. Okay. I'm going to let her relax. Okay, now we're going to do a coned down over the bladder. going to use the 10 by 12 crosswise. Going to use the full 10 by 12 collimation and just place my right marker down at the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to center mid-sagittal plane. I'm going to center at the level of the ASIS, and then you need to check to be sure you've included symphysis. If you don't think you have symphysis, then just center a little bit lower. Some places, they'll tell you just to put the top of your cassette at the top of the crest. That's okay, but come back and check and make sure you have symphysis. If you don't have symphysis here, then you've wasted your time. Okay, and you can't always tell just by looking at your light field, because if your patient is very large at all, your light field is going to get very small. So if you have a cassette, you can pull the cassette out and see the bottom of the cassette is here. Here's her greater trochanter, a little bit above that level. I'm going to be in good shape. Okay, if you're at a facility that doesn't use cassettes, then my suggestion would be, I know y'all do an angled one, but we're not going to do that. I would just off center, feel for greater trochanter, and make sure that that's included. Then you know you have it, and then just go back and center mid-sagittal plane again. That's an easy way to just double check behind that. Okay. And then I would have her taking a breath, blow it out, hold it out. Now, before I get her up to go to the bathroom or anything, I'm going to go ahead and take that IV out.
Okay.
And truly, some places you may start a temporary IV and the tech does it and